Welcome to this channel's MT Network Solutions. Today we will discuss about VLAN and its type. So now you can see here contents VLAN of access network, type of VLAN we will cover in this video. Okay, so you can watch VLAN of access network. सबसे पहले हम लोग देखेंगे कि VLAN एक्चुअल होता क्या है, कैसे काम करता है। आज सारी डिटेल्स इस वीडियो में हम लोग कवर करेंगे, तो आप इस वीडियो को कंप्लीट देखते रहिए। VLAN is a technology used to implement virtual work groups and limit broadcast domain. It is widely used on layer 2 switching network. Okay, layer 2 switching network पर ये वर्क करता है जनरली। OLT-PON access network devices work at the second layer of the TCP/IP protocol and implement the access and isolation of the large number of users and access isolation forwarding of multiple type of services by using VLAN. This lesson describes the VLAN running on OLT-PON devices, which are some differences from traditional VLANs. Access devices have a large number of users provided multiple services such as HSI and VoIP to enable the access devices to differentiate between different user services when they process user packet. Service flows are defined it access node. Okay, so now next one is type of VLAN on OLT-PON system, VLAN configuration OLT-PON system। ये सारी डिटेल्स हम आगे देखेंगे कि कैसे VLAN काम करता है और कितने टाइप का ये यूज़ होता है। तो जनरली हम लोग जो OLT के अंदर ये सारी डिटेल्स को यूज़ करेंगे। VLAN overview. The communication mode within a OLT access network VLAN is the same as the within a traditional VLAN. Packets are for acquiring the MAC address table. Okay, देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे GU01, G1, G2 LAN switches and destination MAC, source MAC and VLAN ID। इस तरह टेबल क्रिएट करता है, कोई भी पोर्ट और VLAN के थ्रू असाइन होता है, MAC address consider करता है। If a port is not found in the MAC address table, a packet on the port will be considered unknown unicast and will be broadcast to all ports in the VLAN. If the MAC and port is found in the VLAN, the packet will be forwarded. Okay. Next one is VLAN types on PON system. OLT access network VLANs are the extended applications of traditional VLANs on common broadband access devices. Okay, basically there are 4 types of VLANs on ONU. There are 3 types of VLAN on OLT, which is same as traditional VLANs, and 2 extended attributes। VLAN का 2 extended attributes भी है। अगर हम ONU की बात करें तो VLAN type of ONU tag we can use tag, trunk, translation and transparent। 4 VLANs को ONU में यूज़ करते हैं। अगर हम OLT की बात करें तो VLAN type on OLT access, trunk and hybrid। और इसके जो 2 एट्रीब्यूट्स है ट्रांसलेशन एंड QNQ। ये सारे डिटेल्स हम आगे देखेंगे हर एक VLAN के बारे में कि कैसे काम करता है ये। ओके, ONU VLAN टाइप आप देख सकते हैं किस तरह सबसे पहले ONU को कनेक्ट करते हैं OLT से। हमने एक PON पोर्ट लिया, स्प्लिटर के साथ ONU कनेक्ट किया और PC डेटा जो है फॉरवर्ड होने लगा। अब इसके अंदर VLAN डालेंगे, पोर्ट मान लें सपोज पोर्ट 1 पे ONU लाइन केबल कनेक्टेड है। अब करेंगे VLAN मोड टैग PVRD लगा दिया। टैग यहाँ पे 100 यूज़ हो रहा है। The ONU VLAN type tag is not the same meaning as a traditional packet within VLAN ID tag. Okay, it's the same as VLAN access mode which mentioned in previous lessons. The flow describe how the ONU G port with tag mode process packet. When untag packet from PC, ONU will be default add a tag of the VLAN ID to the packet and forwarded to the OLT. When the packet with the same VLAN tag come from OLT, ONU will be remove the VLAN tag of packets and forwarded to PC. Okay. Now we will see here ONU in a trunk mode. Okay. सेम है प्रोसेस फोन से आपने स्प्लिटर कनेक्ट किया, ONU स्विच यहाँ पे एक स्विचेस यूज़ किया है ट्रांसमिशन मल्टी विलेन आईडीज डाटा ट्रैफिक के लिए। तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं पोर्ट को हमने ट्रंक किया, मल्टीपल आप विलेन पास कर सकते हैं। ट्रंक विलेन जो यहाँ पे पास किया हुआ है ऑलरेडी देख सकते हैं आप। द ONU विलेन टाइप इज ट्रंक इज द सेम मीनिंग एज अ ट्रेडिशनल पैकेट विद इन मल्टी विलेन ID टैग। This will know how to process packets. When untagged packet come from PC, switch will be default add a tag of the VLAN ID to the packet and forwarded to ONU. When the ONU receive the packets from switches and the VLAN tag is the ONU GE port. Okay, trunk VLAN list. ONU will permit and forwarded the packet to the OLT. When packet with the VLAN tag come from OLT and the VLAN tag is the ONU G port and VLAN list. इस केस में ONU क्या करे, ONU will permit and forwarded the packet to the switch. When switch receive the packet come from ONU with the VLAN tag, then remove the VLAN tag and forwarded to the PC. और डेटा को ये जो PC को क्या करेगा, डेटा फॉरवर्ड कर देगा। ओके। नो transparent VLAN. Okay, it is the same process, is network is same scenario. Okay, transparent mode, the ONU VLAN type transparent is extended application of traditional VLAN. This plot is how to process packet. When untagged packet come from the PC, ONU will permit and forwarded packet to the OLT without VLAN ID. When untagged packet come from OLT, ONU will permit and forwarded the packet to the PC without VLAN. When packet with the VLAN tags come from switch, ONU will permit and forward the packet to OLT with the VLAN ID. When packet with the VLAN tags come from OLT, ONU will permit and forward the packet to switch with the VLAN IDs. Okay. Now translation VLAN. The ONU VLAN type translation is the extended application of traditional VLAN. This flow is how to process packets. When ONU receive the packet from switch and the VLAN tag in the ONU G port translation VLAN list, that is old VLAN, ONU will translate to a new VLAN forwarded to packet to the OLT. When packet with the VLAN tag come from OLT and the VLAN tag match in the ONU G port translation VLAN list, ONU will translate to the old VLAN and forward to the packet to the switch. Okay. VLAN types on OLT. OLT access network VLANs. OLT is the same extension VLAN like access, trunk and hybrid. OLT default all PON port and uplink port in the hybrid mode and all PVID is 1. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट जो है इसका हाइब्रिड मोड रहता है, इसको चेंज कर सकते हैं एज पर रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग ट्रैंक एक्सेस. ओके, फोन सिस्टम्स देयर आर 2 एक्सचेंज एट्रीब्यूट्स QNQ एंड ट्रांसलेशन ऑन OLT. बट फ़ोन के अंदर 2 चीज़ें आप जो है QNQ एंड ट्रांसलेशन ये एट्रीब्यूट्स है VLAN के, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. ओके, नो OLT VLAN attributes translation. ओके, इन केस कोई आपका इनर VLAN है 100 एंड 200 आप सर्विस VLAN आपका ISP एंड से आ रहा है, तो आप इसको मल्टीपल VLAN इनर VLAN को जो है आप सर्विस VLAN में पास करा सकते हैं. डैट इज ट्रांसलेशन VLAN. ओके, इन द सेम नेटवर्क इन्वायरमेंट द OLT इज बिलोंग टू प्राइवेट ओनर. The VLAN design will be conflict with the service provider, so we'll use this trans VLAN to avoid that. When packet with the VLAN tag come from the ONU and the VLAN tag match in the OLT PON potential VLAN customer VLAN, OLT will be translated to service VLAN and forwarded to packet to carrier network. Okay. When packet with the VLAN tag come from carrier network and the VLAN tag match in the OLT PON port translation VLAN, services. OLT will translate to customer VLAN and forward a packet to the ONU. ओके सो अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। अगर आप नेटवर्क इंजीनियर में एक ईपोन और जीपोन टेक्नोलॉजी को समझना चाह रहे हैं तो इस रिलेटेड इस चैनल पे आपको काफ़ी सारे डिटेल्स मिलेंगे, तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आपको इसी रिलेटेड वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहेगा। नो लेट्स सी OLT VLAN attributes Q&Q mode. Okay, Q&Q VLAN applies to scenario when multiple ISPs use the same OLT to serve different users. The OLT forwarded packet to different carrier according to the outer VLAN tag of packets, and the ISP differential users provide different services based on the inner VLAN tag of packets. Okay, you can see here ISP1 is 100 VLAN and service is 10 VLAN. Okay, customer VLAN is 200, service VLAN 10. Okay, this is the ISP1 and this is ISP2. Customer VLAN is 300, service VLAN is 20. Okay, so now here you can see ONU will VLAN 100, 200 and 300. In that case you need to record Q&Q VLAN. Okay, packets with two VLAN tag traverse the backbone network of service provider and reach the brass for authentication with double VLAN tag. You can see here phone 1 customer VLAN 100, 200 and 300, but the service VLAN 10, 10 and 20. Basically we are using two service VLAN. We have two ISPs. Okay, ISP1 and ISP2. You can see here user 1 sends an untagged packet to the ONU. ONU will add VLAN 100 to the OLT. When OLT receive packet with the VLAN ID 100, the OLT add service VLAN 10 to the ISP1. ओके, अगर आप इसका रिक्वेस्ट आता है 100 VLAN का तो ये सर्विस 1 जो असाइन किया हुआ है 10 VLAN ये ISP1 का है तो ISP1 को सेंड करेगा। ISP1 सेंड डबल VLAN टैग्स 100 and 10, service customer VLAN 100 and service VLAN 10 packet to the OLT. OLT remove service VLAN 10 and send to ONU. When ONU receive packet with the VLAN ID 100, the ONU remove the 100 to the user 1. Okay, thanks for watching MT Network Solution. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.